Yeah, y'all see what's going on. We at the lot today. That boy Magic said he popping out. You see, I had to sneak out the house. My boy B hit me. He said he already up here, so you know I had to sneak out one time. 85. That's the 85, right, bro?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
No wide on the switch, no two.
You see Yamaha?
And you can't drive or take anything.
You can't drive or take anything?
You can't drink or do anything.
Oh my God, what's happening, family?
See you in person.
You feel me? Finally for the first time, bro. What's up, my guy? You good? Same to you, bro.
Man, stay blessed always.
Man, you know it, bro.
Fam, stay locked into my guy. Show a lot of love, support, and just find peace and happiness, man. That's what it's all about. Like I said, I know this fella right here. Watch his content. Good dude, solid. And he got the YZ.
Come on, man. Stop playing with
What you talking about?
YZ family.
Right, exactly, brother, exactly, bro.
Got that GT fam in the building. What's going on, gang? I see you got that grippy grip back there. So,
Video, what's up, man?
that was happening, Lee. He be watching every video that drop, bro.
You finally rigging it out, bro? How many what? No, what you smiling for, bro? Cause I ain't been fucking. It's like a little 450 up here. You did? You gotta get what it's called? Hold on. Oh, no, you good.
Thank you. Can you get on that thing, Lee? Go get on that thing. For sure. Okay. Woo. Woo. Boy, drop that thing. Bike. Like hit.
It's still going.
Yes, sir, the boys outside today. Got a pack out here. We got my boy Tony out there tomorrow. Yes, sir. You know I'm about to take all the notes from this guy right here. I'm YZ baby. This is the YZ King out here.
No. It's gonna be a good YZ 125 riders. I'm gonna shout out to them.
Yes, sir.
I'm alright, yo.
Yeah. You know I'm gonna trail you. Get some of that good.
Hey, what's up, buddy? You good? Go ahead, man. Hey, YZ 125, baby. Let's talk to my boy Caroline.
Yes, sir. What's going on, family? I seen you riding with Lee goddamn coming video back.
Yeah. They gon' let me bring the old shot back now. All I know is big bang roll. Saw the killers in the field. Pop the bloody like a pillar. Bust a billion for the thrill. Switch out car just like a dealer. Try that bitch, still got the sticker. AMG no stand up whip. 4 Giottos, windows tinted. No, them niggas gon' hate on show. Made my name on Riverdale Road. Bust my stick on Riverdale Road.
Yeah. I don't know either. Everybody just got there. Woo, this shit look crazy today, yeah.
That's gonna watch myself. Sold out show, gotta cut yourself. Whip that fuck, got a rock for sale. Chop gon' pop, then the whip gon' bail. Straight out the bag, I don't need no scale. Scale pay Joe, keep shit in the mail. New Corvette in the fastest hell. Still no clip, but the op gon' bail. 10 toe in no trick, just see no come and go. I'm a bit of fucking straight out the get and go.
What gear you wheeling in?
I'm going up on the second.
Second? You probably gotta be rolling a little bit for second.
Yeah,
Yeah.
rolling a little bit then.
How you feel about like going slow but bringing it up at first?
Oh yeah, I'm cool with the first.
Yeah.
It's just real snatchy, you know, but
It's gonna get you up, but then you shift up. How you feel about shifting?
that's what I'm working on. That's why I go up in second
Yeah.
and try to go. But I stood at the third the other day in the yard.
Yeah. I feel you.
But yeah, that's why I said I gotta get out here so I can get that shift right.
I got you.
I just watched your foot, so I'm like, okay. Yeah.
You got, when you know you about to shift, you know it's coming.
Yeah.
So it's just, you know, just embrace yourself for it. Squeeze a little tighter with your knees.
Uh-huh.
And, you know, just...
It don't really kick when you shift it, do it.
Nah.
Okay.
A little bit.
Just a tad. Okay. Woo, it's a beautiful day for all the YZs out.
Right.
Yes, sir.
A lot of YZs out
Oh,
there.
God. So we real YZ family today.
Right.
You see what's going on, man? Big boys, 85s, 250s, man, they all outside today.
Yeah,
It did. I went up in first on that one. I was up in first right there.
yeah, but you really just use first just to pop it up. And if you shift in a second, I'll let you go up even more. Remember, your brake is there, bro.
Yeah,
Gotta trust that brake.
for sure.
If you trust that brake, you're gonna be good, bro.
So I'm up, boom, boom, and switch the second in there.
Yeah, like if you... hold on.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Get in here real quick.
Yeah. Yes, sir. I flipped that bitch one time.
No, I see you though.
Yeah.
I'll come over there with you in a few though, man.
Yeah, it's all good, bro. We vibing. Yeah. We busting laps around this mug. Y'all see what's going? We just running good old lap time. Have a little. Stop playing with them boys. Woo! Yes, sir. Good work, in. Okay. 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 Yeah. Yeah. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, yeah, run it up, yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Step by this spot, which car I'ma whip? AP a roller, which one on my wrist? All of these bitches, which one I'ma get? Which one? 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 Might switch it up, baby. Hellcat order rate. Fly you out, PJ. Too many racks, gotta switch the spot up on the stage now. Which one? 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 Which one?